The second week of October, don't carry knife, divide itself into two based on midweek. So if you do plus or minus, you're going to say now Wednesday, we dey inside this month of October based on this week. And we don't come again with that action, Ogbonge politics discussion show as in a hot. We did on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times, channel 195, channel 17, My TV, and also where you need to turn your antenna small and you're going to get us live on top of UHF 57 for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. Those where they watch us anywhere inside the world, now they're on top of internet for www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We're going to discuss the matter from start to finish, give you license to chook mouth this and talk and do TV for body, so that those who lead us go hear the voice of God in the voice of the people and do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name now Ezogo Chokwote, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Samuel say concerning politics matter as it hot.
Yes, as I always talk, the program now for Una and for us and for every Nigerian. And what will be the name of the program? As it hot. That political program with the sunshine, the information now different activities will happen for within Nigeria. Today I want to carry on go into something very sensitive because now very important issue we say very soon now we go stay there go if they never even pass them into law at least we make no say yes at least at some point we don't at least adjust to certain things wey they affect our society. Now one very issue we get to do with kidnapping now we go do it now we go discuss today and then we go open our phone and say when that time reach for that to also do it. Call and contribute in our own quarter to the whole discussion. Me na be in mind say we get 3 solid telephone line now 1 2 3 line. 2 3 line is I go call and I go express and self, but when it comes to the payment to come, now leave down for us. My name never changed. My name still remains Nkubi.
The matter when we carry come today, the matter when we say, I sure say everybody here go down stand up based on the introduction when we say Nkubi don't do. And this one now very important question when they ask. Kidnappers don't open PLC inside Obodo, Nigeria. Everybody knows say PLC na public liability company based on say you don't check and look say okay as this company dey like this now, we suppose they make profit. They see say things they enter inside the account of our company. In the past 2 weeks, the problem of kidnapping don't come resurface reach the level where we say it can't be like say now only Nigeria now these people look say this business go to thrive. And the reason why we come out with this one now because of the breaking news when come out early this morning today say 4 pupils of that junior model college for Igbonla for Ekpe say the kidnappers them don't free them. Whether now police people go there go bust them free them we don't know. Whether they release these people after they pay ransom we don't know. Whether they pay ransom we don't know. But the gist will come out clearly when everybody know now say they don't free these particular people. The reason why they talk this matter because I say just last week when passed so you get another important incident when we say the thing happened. They free the wife of the former CBN governor Margaret Emefiele, and before that one we also see the kidnap of former Minister of State for Environment, she and her husband Laurentia and Pius Malam. People come they ask questions say why it be say as Nigeria dey like this now? It just be like say people go always do anything, do something, do this one when they want to, and the thing will always be like say the thing they flow. What thing they happen exactly inside Obodo, Nigeria? Now the question where plenty people they ask be that. But before we begin to drop this issue, they discuss them, we go rush enter inside small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue the discussion based on whether kidnappers don't open PLC inside Obodo, Nigeria. I'm not going anywhere. I still ask Ide. I'm not going to complete that because it go hot when they come back.
Yes, and welcome back. If you watch us for GoTV channel 98 and Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, and also if they watch us for free to air channel 17, or if they watch us for that is online at www.wazobiatv.tv/live. The program now asks it is hot, and what will they talk about today? Will they look the matter of kidnapping? Because they ask the question, say kidnappers don't open PLC inside Nigeria following the series of kidnapping activities that don't play out. And which of these activities we talk about? Will they talk about the one where they kidnap the wife of the CBN governor, that is Margaret Emefiele? We also talk about the one where they kidnapped the former Minister of Environment, that is Mrs. Laurentia Malam, she and her husband. We'll also talk about the one that happened just not too long where they go kidnap some students. And also make we even mention them. The one if happened for Sherry, there are plenty. And the question will come there and say, they don't consider this now the regular thing, say yes, we can make money from these things. And the question will come there and ask, what do they cause this particular problem? Now the Google question, what would they ask on top of this program? I'll go open our phone and with that time, Richard, now also video it. Call, contribute more, also hear our own view on top of this particular matter.
But this issue when we discuss now, one will be say it's very, very important, and everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria, suppose they chook mouth inside because if you look the situation, it just be like say, rather than for people wey get power to channel their energy into doing something when go bring money come their pocket, they go rather use and they do bad thing. Because the sense to use go school by 8 a.m. in the morning, or the sense to use wele person for traffic, or the sense to use block person for highway, back this person carry the person go inside where they go try trace, they no go visit, they make phone calls, they negotiate, say okay, 5 million, 3.5 million, 1 million. That sense, if person fit channel am into doing wetin dey productive, the thing suppose be bring money for the person, but people go rather wan carry this bad thing do for things wey be say go dey cause problem. Now we go ask this question. Now poverty dey cause make people dey do this thing inside obodo Nigeria. If they even dey talk about poverty, say okay, no job, no anything. The sense wey these people dey use into this thing, if they channel am into doing something wey even make sense, even if na to sell water or to sell chewing stick, they go even fit dey make money, they survive. Then who dey give these people money to take do capital for the business? Because they buy guns, they buy bullets. In the case of these children when they junior model college for Igbola, they talk say when the family dem, they follow them, they talk for phone on Sunday. Then they tell the family people say, una dey waste time abi, una no wan pay this money, una think say we dey joke. They come tell somebody say make him shoot gun. The person come shoot so that they go hear the sound of the gun. Why we dey for society when we say somebody fit dey somewhere, even if na inside Sambisa forest, he go shoot gun, and we get security operatives when we say they no go even fit trace the sound or go hear and think say na knockout. Na tire dey burst.
The funny thing be say people don dey so I go use the word heartlessness. People don't, their mind don't black to the point where we say they don't even come to consider anything. People don't dey so desperate to the point that they fit do anything. They fit go extreme. But the question I come to ask say, if peradventure now your pikin they kidnap, you can't give me this kind of language, say, okay, yes, fine, we go raise money or this thing. How you go take feel? Imagine, put yourself on the same show, it depends on these people there. What did the children do you? All because you want to make money overnight. You want to make million overnight, Abi? I've not been so. And the money, the funny thing is just as you talk, channel this thought into something where they're productive. By the time you go sit down, think well, think deeply. You go see say this idea where you get for head, where you take carry out kidnapping, they show energy, they show Van Damme, they show commando style, say they take this thing. You go see that energy, that thought, you go feel create like one million ideas. Think of how you go take channel your thoughts into something very, very productive, rather than they waste your time say you want make money where say in the end you go say haunt you. Because the money eventually will haunt you. Right on with the job you are doing. Make we just dey watch.
But then again, if we even talk about say the thing go hunt them, wetin those when they in authority, when they control the institutions of state, they do to use ensure say Nigeria dey safe. Because if we do plus or minus, the wife of central bank governor when they kidnap on Thursday, by Saturday they don't free am. Na just one day na he separate. This former minister for state for environment and her husband when they kidnap. In fact, the family even come and talk say, immediately the people talk say, na so amount na go pay as ransom. Say they quickly talk say, okay, we don't agree, because they don't want me to find out say the woman na somebody wey don dey government before, yes, so that they go increase the money. But see these children since last week Thursday, in fact they talk say one of them even fall sick. One of the boys, the children they sick. So then the family come even they beg the kidnappers, them say they go like send one of their family person to come replace the boy, so that they go show say okay, with the money we dey try raise am, but when I give us this boy wey sick, make him no die for there. Now if we talk about kidnappers, say okay, when they do bad thing, this and that, what we go talk about the people when we say suppose do things to ensure say Nigeria safe. The people wey go carry money, instead of making them ensure say our security operatives they get everything they need, they go build high fence, they go put barbed wire, they go get security. All these politicians when police they follow them up and down, so the police they carry handbag of their wife and their children, they follow them go mosque on Friday, they follow them go church on Sunday. What are these institutions of state doing? Why is it for this country as today like this now? Under government of change, under government of transformation, it's still the same thing.
In fact, Mr. Taya, no lie. It's still
the same thing. The same direction where they go. Now they go.
The thing say you go understand what they play out here. Okay, you give take an example of the wife of that is the CBN governor. Overnight, they don't even waste time. The life of that person they more important just because of the office where the husband they acquire, compared to the life of kids, compared to the life of other people they don't kidnap, and compared to the life of people who say they don't even kidnap. Even after paying ransom, yet they still kill them. I mean, they are questioning more. They question all these things. Even after paying ransom, they still do it. They still kill them. Say you want to say this, the life of this no, they very valuable. So the question is, our government on our own part, make now also ensure say at least now ensure say Nigeria dey safe for everybody to live in. It's as simple as that. No come they say because of say some individuals they special, because that is what you're trying to tell us here. Provide an enabling ground where we say security go there this go there very very massive for people to say yes, I can work freely in the society without having any issue.
But Ukubi, all this way they talk, why you know they tell una people for una meeting? Why no they tell them for una meeting?
You have said it here, say this one no get to do with any government.
But I can't they ask you now people they control government. Two of us. Now people they use ensure say people go they safe. Now the reason why one government succeed the other government now so that this government go do better or do what this other government no they do. What have you done? Why don't they tell them for meeting? Why you can't come here now? Can't they tell us say all this thing? Now here now you they get out. Now here you they fit talk. But for your meeting, you know go fit tell them what they're supposed to do.
Meetings of association of TV presenters.
Which association of TV presenters?
Oh,
the meeting where they give you filling station. Why you know they talk all these things? Why you know they raise up your hand there? You don't chop small chops, small chop and bush meat, and you don't go even know what these small chops be. Bush meat. You don't chop bush meat, and the bush meat where you chop, I should say, na snake, na they take cook am. You don't chop bush meat, chop bush meat, chop bush meat, chop bush meat, chop bush meat. If they talk, those in favor say, no, you can't come here and come tell us say, what have they done? What have they done? What have they done? What?
When they born you, I know say the first way you take enter this one are eyes. Open eyes.
Thank you. Historian, statistician.
Because
national
see everything about you. If you can't you just talk for once, talk something, say, talk, make we not hear all this aggressiveness from you.
Who could be?
Must you always be aggressive when you're
you
talking?
See, by the time when Nigerians stand up, talk say they want to take back this country, you know where you go? Now, you know where we go send you? National Museum. Now there we go send you go. Oh. Because you be like, you be the Google and Wikipedia and encyclopedia and dictionary of history.
You are trying to take my myth or my nature back to history. During the era of the Benin Kingdom where people like us, they very
you don't even copy the king.
They very valuable, very strong for the society.
Now, thank you. You know what the thing go even easy? We go just find carpenter, make them do small chef. We go just keep you. Before I even talk, say maybe you go head the museum, but now we go keep you inside one of the chef for the museum. Continue.
What do I do you?
What do you do me? What do you do Nigerian people? Why they talk with two sides of your mouth?
What do I do you?
Now poverty they cause this thing. Now poverty they cause this thing.
My condition don't reach the point say now museum I go settle for.
No, as you sabi history, you say when they born me, now like this I come into this world. You did there and I'm a contact. You say we need more historians.
Why you say we
like
talk here? Something we say even tomorrow if it be your turn, they come kidnap you. So that's why we need to speak out now.
Now why are they tell you say?
That's why we need to speak out now.
Now why are they tell you say make the government when they control the institutions of state, all the own security.
Start to tell them now. Say, see, you know that $1 per pocket too. Maybe to say whether any of us reach.
I be comrade, everybody know.
We are not rich, oh. Everybody they come kidnap us. If you kidnap us, hey, $1 for a guy.
I'm a comrade.
I don't. It is better off me to tell them now.
I'm not a justice. Okay. I'm a comrade.
Okay.
Everyone.
I want to make
we know those people when we say una be justice. We know una. As a comrade, we know say. Comrade now.
Justice of who? Justice of both PDP and APC.
But you are a justice.
I'm not. I never studied law in the first place.
The way when una take 10 DSS, make them go bust. When them bust, they do better work. Make the boss kidnappers too like that. Make them boss Boko Haram like that. Make them boss Fulani S1 like that. Why we know they free bust? Why you be say if na rich people, who could be if na una rich people like for example the CBN governor.
I'm not rich. Don't they come inside they rich in front of national TV, please.
Okay, amen.
Save me from this present reality.
You are not rich, amen. Leave it.
No, I will be rich.
Which one is you will be rich?
No, I will be rich.
No, you have to be sure.
I will be rich.
You have to be sure.
No,
you say I'm not rich, and I say okay, amen.
Okay, I claim it in Jesus' name.
How you go come dey claim? What you dey claim?
Me I not claim.
No. It's either you take one or you not take one.
No.
Are you rich?
Okay, I am rich.
Thank you very much.
In Jesus' name, it is coming.
It is what is coming.
It is on the pipeline. They come.
Pipeline, filling station, pipeline. No worry, just continue. No, you say you dey pipeline. I remember I said I don't dey talk filling station. Now you dey talk pipeline. Continue, no problem. Now, give us reason why Margaret Emefiele Thursday, Saturday they don't free her. In fact,
but she dey aware say from wetin we dey hear, they no free her for nothing. She pay money.
Thank you very much.
Before so make we also address the issue of say wetin our security people dey also do to avoid say at least kidnappers dem see dem gba make don't be say dem come dey follow the extent okay how much do you people want and we will pay you just carry your wahala go.
No.
Without even making any serious arrest.
Even if you pay the money, come catch them. Because in the case of Margaret Emefiele, the money when they pay, they collect am. If we talk say okay, that money they use and set trap for those people, they collect am. That one they fine. But what do they talk? We say, why we be say we go always get them pay money, they no pay. We pay, they no pay. We pay. Why we be say before they carry out this plan? We know what they call nip it in the bud. Before the plan come to light, we don't stop her. We suppose that they proactive, not reactive.
Yes.
Okay, in the case of Margaret Emefiele, in fact, the person who had the intelligence unit, the special squad, when they talk say, I give you 24 hours to look for this woman. Now, be the same person who had the one when free the mama of when free this person Ngozi Okonjo that time when they kidnap her.
Mama, yes.
Now the question we go dey ask now say that man now in destiny to the head intelligence squad to the free.
No, he get foresight.
They say in the see vision.
From here where your own kid just be like who I will take give example which of these human character of it take.
Flash.
No, this person Dr. Zavi, Professor Zavi for X-Men. They will say as he dey here. You don't see what they happen. You don't know where, who and who they. That is the kind of talent. And
now for big people, now for only big people that they see that kind of thing. Well, the children when they carry things, they never see them.
That I cannot explain.
And the landlord's own issue when we talk about too, the monarch when they kidnap too, when they even he read the essay when we say that the man even use his leg, but I can come back to his palace.
But that one, no, say maybe she what if say ransom no play out for that one.
Now they tell you. What would they, okay, for people who don't get ransom, okay, take for example, these people be first called. Say
no, now to tell you how weak our system be. Our security system they very, very weak. And we don't they talk about this thing long before now. If we say we get a particular number of security personnel, we say police people we say we there for the country. They are going by what we hear about 300,000 at least the total police. And you come and say more than half of these people now just political people that they protect. Even the 300 never even do Nigeria at all. They come they protect political people. If they don't follow the wife of this person, they will follow this person. And you understand? The issue come say this people they follow. Waiting they make them fear, we say they will just carry police, security thing. Attack them. If not, we say, now don't also do something to the people. Because if now no offend the people, now no go they carry police, they join body. Very true. If the society they very good, now no carry police, join body. Just go they go, person go walk up past you. You say go walk up past them. They will say that is the minister of industry.
High minister. She's
doing a very great job, and I mean.
Even if you not do great job, because not everybody go like you, and not be for society, badness go even day. But when they talk, say, all the money we they spend on say, this person, senator, 10 police, they follow him, 2 mopo, they follow him, 1 soldier, they follow him, private security, they follow him. Everywhere they go, win. It go still come down small. Then those people go come focus their energy on the people.
Thank you.
Estimate if they do the statistics when they do, they talk say, now like 1 officer to 300 people. If we get 180 million
Nigerians, going by what we get to, going by the number of we even get.
We not even show self. One police officer to 300 people. Even for one person to talk where 50 people there, they no go here. It can't be one police officer to 300 people. And 300, out of those 300 people, 290, they hungry. Out of that 290 when they hungry, 299 they vex.
No, you're not going to even blame them as well. Because you also need to ask them, say, what's in their welfare be like? Because if no, they encourage person to do your own job well as well. How do you expect the person to, if police never chop, or you pay a salary, you not pay them on time, and salary they even they pay, I never say that better. Make you know if you talk to them. You never say that money. You say you go fit take run this thing. You expect them to they are proactive. No, never say supposed they are proactive, but encourage them also as well.
Okay, take for example now, police officer when they doing work. I think they do this work now. When they look the money when they pay them, they look say this money no do anything. The way when you take even holding gun self, you just holding gun like a cigar. You holding gun like a cigar.
Where the fact if you just shoot straight bullet, just say 100,000. Before you know it, happen.
You go holding gun like a cigar. Now make it maybe the police officer come there, he can see alert, and that alert when he can see can be 50%. Now if police officer see 50%. Police officer when they always dey complain.
Out of the 100% too.
Out of the 100%
no.
And police officer when they see 100% before. That 100% he dey complain. He call the holding gun like say na cigar. If he holding gun, in fact.
He can't see bank alert. Hey.
Come open and come see 50%. How you take to say that police officer go do the work when
See what you have to say? Which kind of pie? You just which kind of pie? Sorry.
And you go here say people when they Senate, they collect billion as running costs.
30-something million
to run the Senate
every month. About 20-something for House of
they are running the Senate.
They run down at all. The fact say companies they cut costs. Their own then they cut costs at all.
No, they can't cut costs.
They can never cut costs.
They are distinguished senators.
They are distinguished.
How can they be cutting costs?
Yeah, they are distinguished.
They are working for the people.
Yes, we can see the work in our lives.
We can see the work.
We can see your works reflecting in Nigeria.
You can see the work. Make we enter Ikorodu, collect this call from one of our Ogbonge callers. Good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Shukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
This is my first time calling.
What is your name, I beg?
My name is Gabriel from Ikorodu.
Gabriel, you are welcome to As It Dey Hot. Talk, make we hear you. Contribute.
Okay, well, I don't get much to contribute. What I want to contribute is they say, when I say kidnappers don't become liability, which is true. So what now they talk, we say, we, Nigeria, especially our government, they are not doing well. Because what I think say they for the do, we say, this kind of thing, they're not supposed to take time. When they catch these people, where you know, say, don't catch the red hand, them with what they hope for hand. Where you know, say, they do the act very well. When say they do them. Don't say they talk another thing again, not to. Sure, no need of prison or sure, to kill the person. When you kill that kind of person, 2 or 3 of them, this kind of thing will stop. My brother, you don't too much for this Bodo Nigeria.
Okay, Gabriel. Make I ask you one question now.
Ask me, I go here.
If somebody come and talk, say, the reason why I dey kidnap, now so that I go fit see money to feed my family, or I get job, I don't lose job, now why I dey kidnap? You not think, say, we suppose fit, as we dey try stop these kidnappers, make we dey see what we go fit do to use pursue poverty so that bad thing no go dey attract people, because if kidnapper know say if he kidnap person today he go see 10 million overnight why he go sit down for inside office dey work for 30 days to come collect maybe for example 50%.
Wey be say that they go carry load, where they work small work, they see small money, they feed their family, those people don't get sense.
Very true, very important
strong
answer.
talk, Oga Gabriel.
Understand? They hear you.
We dey hear, right on.
Now that's the way we talk about corruption. You know, yesterday I tried to get on about the corruption where we talk. Understand me? Now, if they take one person, 2 people do example for what they happen for this Nigeria, I bet you all those things go stop. Like the judge where they carry yesterday when they talk, say, it's good as they carry them, it's not good as they carry them. They're supposed to carry them because they see evidence for their body. So all those kind of things not supposed to make they use one person do sample. Okay, today now they watch television now they see say Dansuki may be released by Buhari. What another person no go do again? When at the end of the day, you know say they go release them. No, they talk true for this our country.
Okay, Gabriel, in fact, talking through yourself don't talk through on top of this particular matter because as a first time caller, you say you can't even drop things, can't drop and say even what will be the amount of unemployment you go do if say at least you know even say come on say okay see may I even try this whether money go feed this thing. Maybe more say they go employ you before you go start to find money to take job. I mean a very good comment from you.
And it go also good make we point them out say why we feel look and say okay somebody they carry load inside market for example or people they push truck. Now, why those people not going to kidnapping? Maybe we can't think and say, okay, this person when they push truck, this person when they carry load, when they channel that kind of plenty power under hot sun. If we fit do our country, make the country they well. That kind of person, that kind of determination when they use say, I won't survive, let me go carry this thing. If you use and even start small business or do certain things, and then again, if you come to look at why we go get country where we say one man they push truck, they carry load. Another man sit down for inside office with AC. When we say now these people vote them in, and if they live like saying be king, while another man they live like saying be poor man. So it go good make we they look all these things this way. As we they put strong laws to use they catch bad people when they do things, we suppose they ensure say those when we say we don't give the right to represent us. Go do the things when they're supposed to use the ensure that they move to our country forward.
Say at least if they also do it and carry money, the law go also hunt them, bring them to book. Make we balance the equation. Make it just make them make law for only poor people. Make we also make law for them so that make we balance. If they get the right, make it also they get
as we make laws. Make we go from Ikorodu, enter inside Abuja, collect the score based on whether kidnappers don't open PLC inside Obodo, Nigeria. Good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning. Who there our telephone line? Oga David. Good morning.
Good
morning.
Yes. Talk to us, we hear you.
Good morning.
They greet you, Chukudi.
We dey greet you, Oga David.
Yes, we know. I beg, Oga David, if you come out from where you dey, and your TV dey on, I beg, off your TV or bring the volume down. And we see the lights they break.
Okay.
We dey hear you small.
Okay.
Oga David, I beg, if you get chance, call
Try
us
call us back,
back. Make you
abeg.
make your contribution. We go like everything you get to talk about this particular issue. And we don't discuss the first part of this discussion based on whether kidnappers don't open PLC inside the border Nigeria. The truth be say, if we check the reality and we check the way we say kidnap don't dey happen. It be like say this business now, it don't even dey bring money past oil business inside the border Nigeria. Because for example, for different parts of Nigeria, in the past 2 weeks, or more just say in the past 1 month, different incidents of kidnap don come out, plus the one wey enter news because of say maybe there be big
And the
people
one wey no
or the number
enter.
wey dey happen, and the one wey no enter at all, wey be say the family still today they still dey try see whether they go raise money to do am. This thing no come reach level wey be say we need to show concern. Now we don ask question whether na poverty dey cause this one or whether na the fact say na better business na dey cause am. When we go this break come back, we will enter the next discussion, and the next discussion get to do with how we go take fit stop this particular badness inside the border Nigeria. But before the break, Chigozie dey on top of our telephone line. Chigozie, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Chigozie, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good
we
morning,
dey hear you, Chigozie.
We
Yes.
dey greet you.
I dey hear with you and I dey talk about kidnapping. Anyway, anybody wey kidnap no suppose kidnap, but I believe say something make person kidnap. Although some people, whether country dey good or country no dey good, they must do bad things. But first of all, as you dey watch Nigeria now, kidnapping, I know they surprised even if in the 40% before, now it will reach like 80%. The way country dey now, because everybody they look for way to survive, and government no care. You dey hear now they give us news how people the companies they pursue people for their
Companies.
work. All these things na problem. The one way we get, government just dey turn them upside down. Always, government no concern. Waiting with the hear this person thief money, this person thief money. They no one know how people, whether they work or they know they work. Even you go hear some allegation, you go they wonder whether this government for the people or by the people. You know, see the one wey happen for River State, they say they get money there. While governor say they no even enter the house and they show everything for TV, they see that outside, but they say they get big money for the house. Why they never enter the house? I think for the gate, the man give the money. So make this government no deceive us, just waiting they come. They say na diversification. Now that agriculture we no see am. Even the one where this Africa waiting the name that Yoruba man where the minister before where the African bank been say now. The one where do the time where they don't spoil am. So I debate this government. Kidnapping no dey good. True. Anybody where they kidnap, make the person stop am. Find another thing do. Even if na Kentenko wey go dey get, may just dey do that one. Then make government help people. Make people know just perish just like that.
Yes, Oga Chigozie, in fact, you don't talk well. Thank you very, very much for that contribution. And then on this note, make we do it, make we enter market. Go know as market be. Will they come? Yes, and welcome back. The program now As E Dey Hot, and just as we talk, we talk about the issue of kidnapping. We come to ask this very important question: should kidnapping don't turn PLC for Bode Nigeria. And we don't look the factors we say we feel cause them and why people they even enter into that. Also look at from the government angle. But the question, the first one they enter, we say, okay, what do we do to ensure that at least we curb this thing, we ensure that we put at least a drastic end to them, so that at least people go feel sit down for their own houses and free without having the fear, say somebody from somewhere go they carry the mind of saying one can kidnap another. Chuku they still dey studios and the matter still dey very much on our. They also they collect on our calls.
What thing we go fit do to use ensure say our security people they proactive in the sense say before bad thing happen, they go don't get information or the information when they get, they go fit act upon am to see say that the badness no happen or they stop am. That one go restore the confidence of the Nigerian people for inside our security them, because it just be like say now the way when they dey, people go rather cover themselves with the blood and the protection of divine security rather than talk say okay if police come na them or if soldier come na them, because the only thing not going to happen now, it come be like say some people wey even dey inside security dem dey join hand with these bad people dem, like in the case of Margaret Emefiele, dem talk say 2 people wey be say dem be soldier wey dem don pursue, dem collect 13 million na im be their own share inside that particular business. So you go look am say why
what do I have to lose?
What do I have to lose? And they don't pursue me for army.
Yes.
What can they do? Maybe my uniform. See, I fit buy my uniform for anywhere.
Yes.
Just go. And you go collect 13 million, 2 people, 13 million for just one particular kidnapping operation. So it go good make they look, say, okay, from intelligence when they gather, from people when they look for their area, say, it gets some kind of bad movement when they see.
Yes,
they go report to police,
no,
and police go out
apart from human security, apart from the fact, say, yes, our police probably not do enough to say they want secure the entire Nigeria, or probably our military force or any other this thing, security personnel group, not do enough. There's also this thing where all human resources not feeling. There's what is called technology. If you go other developed countries, now technology they take track down things. They take track down who they commit to any offense and all that. So we said, also look into that one. Now as we take apply technology for our own security matter. We got Oga Joseph. Oga Joseph, they call us from Shomolu. Good morning, Oga Joseph.
Good morning, Oga Chinedu and Kobe.
Oh, good morning. I beg, what's your name?
Josephine, not Joseph.
Okay. What do you call him?
Josephine.
Okay, Josephine. Oh, sorry, Jare, Josephine. Continue, Jare, we hear you.
Okay. Please, I want to, like this kidnapping issue, like you people said, that become PLC.
Yes.
I think most of the times we have to blame our politicians. Because these boys, they use them as political thugs during the election. They arm them. And after election, they distance themselves from those people. The guns are with them. And these people have no money to spend. And another thing again, I want to please, the kidnappers should leave the poor masses. Let them go to Abuja. Those senators that are collecting 300 million, security, governors collecting security vote, there's no security. Paying those, the paramilitary and the military little money. I cannot come and die for Nigeria. I might use that English. When you are giving me 50,000, and you are collecting 300 million for security votes, sitting in your office, and you want the policeman, that same policeman that is supposed to protect the citizen will be carrying your bag up and down. Only you will have about 12 to 15 policemen on your gate in one of your house. That's why there's nobody. So what are we saying? This kidnapping of a thing, I think for the government, we think it will really be stopped. Let us start kidnapping those top people.
But Madam Josephine,
they will start looking for solutions.
Josephine, in as much as we not go encourage to make them do it, make them go about the kidnap politicians or anybody. If we they try profile solution in this case, for you for instance, which kind of solution you go fit suggest? Okay, see what our government feed do, we see what the people feed do to ensure that at least we curb this particular problem.
Okay, one again, like the judiciary system is corrupt. But notwithstanding, I think jungle justice will be okay for them.
Jungle justice?
Yes, they're putting the life of the citizen at risk too. So they should experience it. Then our government should please, take welfare of the military people. Then technology-wise, they should please breeze up like that.
Yes.
We have new technology and gadgets that can dictate where criminals are. Why say it's only in Nigeria we cannot do that? So So at least,
Josephine, thank you very much for this suggestion. We also suggest, and I believe say our people they represent government, they hear what they talk. May they know also know what they will fit do to at least to ensure that they cop this thing because we don't talk say if no fit work for human resources, apply the technological resources. And the other way it talks say jungle justice. We will not go encourage jungle justice at all because they know be our right to do it and to decide the fate of a man. That's why we get the judiciary to also do it, to also handle that particular case. And that's so we will the ultra. We get Oga Michael. Oga Michael, they call us from Lagos, here for Lagos. Good morning, Oga Michael.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkuzi.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
I greet you.
Yeah, so.
Please, there is something we need to understand about this country.
Okay, what do you think?
Because as it is now the people where they rule us, now they know these kidnappers. Because you know, go tell me, say, I go, for instance, say, make I use myself as an example. I go buy a gun, carry 10 boys, give them gun, make them follow me do campaign. After they do the campaign finish, kill people finish, then they don't see blood, they don't see money. When they don't come get money, what do they go do? The gun where I give them, I don't collect and when they finish my campaign. Now then go take out the gun, go kidnap people, collect money. And when they go kidnap, now those people will say they follow those big men during the election, see their children. Because they cannot kidnap who they don't know. Now who they know, now they go kidnap. So the best thing they should do for us is to provide jobs. Because as they talk now, they don't pursue more than 1 million workers. These people will say that they collect salary before. Now they are not collecting salary. And you don't expect anything from them. If they look for a job, Most of those people where they work now, concocting guys from school. But when they graduate, they started looking for something to do. Some get work for back, some get for different companies. But when those companies close, they have to go back to where they are coming from. You understand? So the government should do something to see that there is a job. If there is job, all these things should stop. And when there is no job, evil thing will continue to happen. You cannot tell me when these Okada people, when they stop Okada for Lagos, armed robber increase. After they come back, release Okada. Those other things stop. So we should look at it and see that there is need that things will continue to work. So if there is work, there is no corruption.
Yes, so
if there is no work, corruption and stealing and kidnapping will continue. Thank you.
Oga Michael, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't already talk and say government must do what they do to ensure say at least people no go they get excuse. They use the talk say now because of this thing now they do this particular thing because badness now badness anyhow way you want see them. We get another person on top of our telephone line. We get Chooks in the callers from Ikorodu. Oga Chooks, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Oga Chooks, good morning.
Oga Chooks, good morning.
I agree to Oga Chooks.
Oga Chooks, good morning.
Would they agree to you, Jare?
This discussion, I want just to learn from two angles.
Okay.
First of all, the kidnapper is no justification for them to do what they do. Because irrespective of the fact that yes, we know the economy is somehow work no day, job no day. There are other things you can still go and do out there. So they don't get as in reason to the do one. It's barbaric, it's demonic, it's satanic, and it's a sin. That is one. Then the other angle, at least they say, well, as they do, they're supposed to, we the common man, will probably be the same as in level with them. Let me just put it that way. They're supposed to leave us alone. How they leave all this common school, and they leave us alone. Make them go Abuja, go tackle them. Make them go government house. People will know what they are. Then you know, say, self, with what they do, I am not speaking right. But with what they do, the people help us change the economy of this country. Ask me why. Or the situation of this country. Ask me why.
Why?
Now, if me and you talk, government, they know they hear. They will see they do what they do. They carry billions. We use by the actual figures and the rest of them. By the time where these people, they channel their anger towards them. They kidnap them. I am very angry. They kidnap them. They mark them well. But people, they go sit right, begin to say, this thing don't get out of hand. So we go formulate policy we go help the economy.
Very, very true. Oga Chuks, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Sorry, say we go cut you. We get Oga Paul. You know they wait patiently on top of the telephone line. Oga Paul from Aja, thank you for your patience. Welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Paul, good morning.
Oga Paul, you see there? Oga Paul, no vex. If you get chance, I beg call us back. Make yourself make your contribution. Oga Chuks, if you still won't continue with your contribution, if you call us back, but we need to end that call so that we go accommodate other people when they call it to contribute for their discussion.
Something about say make them go do it, make them go do it in make them channel their vex on top of our politicians. But then book also bear in mind, say, at least if one say one find the lasting solution to a particular thing, the people where they kidnap, no, then they look, say whether you be politicians or you be regular person or ordinary person for society. But all we need to do is also ensure, say, what will feed you to also put an end. We they very much aware, say the Senate, that is our legislator, they won't do it. They won't pass law into, they won't pass a particular law, we will do it, we will stop this particular act. And the law will get to do it, say, anybody who commit any crime, say, do it relate to kidnapping, say they will do it and they will buy them. So now, all these things that today we will also fit and do it in call this particular matter. And right about now, make we do it. Make we enter
Oga
this.
Paul, don't come back.
Okay, Oga Paul, don't come back. Oga Paul, welcome back.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Thank God, say waiting they happen for our front. You know, we never disappear from this country because if you remember far back some months ago when PDP they get issues for convention. One of the IGs come out for television. They tell us that they were proactive to go and seal off the stadium where they want to do convention. Now, if we say they always they proactive to go seal off a convention venue, why they not be they proactive to catch off this kidnapper? The truth about it is that police are doing what they can do, but they are not doing enough. Let's be sincere, they are not doing enough because if eventually say that they really they catch these kidnappers, I'm not just say if now job what they do every day and you see say people that they kidnap they catch them every day, they persecute them every day. I'm not just say people go they more interested the way it did now. It's too rampant. If you look now, the DSS now, they don't go bust some of the judges. Yes, they are corrupt. But the way they go bust all those judges, even if they talk say they don't investigate this for the past 7 to 8 months. So they already they get intel for these people before they go bust them. You know, if you tell me they don't get that kind of information or investigate all these kidnappers before they can add their crime, they bust them at the spot. Let's remove their say that they investigate. We don't enter technology age. These people know they make call for under river. They know they make call for inside bush. I take my village from call. We they come out the road to come make call before so that we see hear people talk. But now, that's to say the mass they don't build, they don't masses around a town where people feel make call, then you go hear them. So why these people not take this technology trend to track down these people they make call? They use MTN, they use Glo, they use Airtel, they use the network. So we know. Maybe say that they use other people's network, our own network. And sorry, sir, I'm taking this much time. There's a lot of phones for this country. We don't get used to smartphones. We get something this month, something where they call Truecaller, where they say if anybody call you, as far as the person registered, that is if the NCC, they sincere say all our lines don't get registered. When this person call you, the Truecaller will tell the person to come away from the call. So why don't we use that method to track all these kidnappers? So thank you, that on my own contribution.
Thank you
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. At this juncture, the break when we supposed don't go, but we accommodate Oga Paul so that we go hear a contribution. Then we go now. When we go this break, come back, it will be the final lap on top of As It Dey Hot. From there, what we do, so we will gather all the solutions when people don't prefer. From how our security people go they proactive, and the fact say we self go feel they take care of ourselves rather than just talk say this life when we do now only God will protect us. We go use the sense when not give us to use the ensure say this PLC when kidnappers don't open for inside this our country, we spoil the hand of their business. No go anywhere. Now still As It Dey Hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. Here's Guchuku Danukubi sitting on top of the Chairman television station Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max. We don't need to call down everything because you know say you don't dey follow us. And we dey take calls and based on the contribution of people, it is very, very evident say this issue of kidnapping will not become rampant or it don't happen every day for inside our society. That's something when we say we suppose pursue come up for inside our country. And from the discussion we don't get so far, it be like say as government they do the things to use come up poverty and wickedness inside this country, we go make people they channel their energy into doing what go make them make clean money. We suppose still they balance the fact say our security people they must they chook eye because some people they greedy naturally. Some people go look say why I go office go work for 30 days to collect money when I fit do this bad thing and make money. So our security people they must they on top of the situation to use the ensure say all this badness no they happen for inside our society. But the question we plenty people go see they ask and say why it be say if na big person we go here talk for high places. I give you 24 hours because the issue of Margaret Emefiele, the presidency specifically ordered say 24 hours. And Thursday when they kidnap her, Friday na the only day we pass, by Saturday they don't release her. What is going on?
I mean, orders from above.
Orders from above. When they come for where ordinary man dey.
Ordinary people.
Another funny thing is okay, former minister, they make contact, say we get una mama and papa for here, una go pay this amount. They say okay, we'll pay the amount. The kidnappers they supposed to think, wait.
So these people just agree.
These people just agree like this.
We don't even negotiate. What is your relevance in the society?
Maybe the woman talk say.
Who are you?
Maybe the woman talk say it's state for environment. Call her state for environment. Maybe they, kidnappers will say maybe this woman environmental sanitation. Environmental. Can say no. It doesn't make any sense. No, allow her go. Just allow her go. I didn't really talk say wife of central bank. Maybe just talk say that Emefiele wife.
Say former minister of environment under Jonah era. Hey.
They go say
So
now no be una under that government they be told say 2.1 billion miss. Madam give us our share. They go turn to comrades. They say, madam, this thing we are collecting, we want to just collect our share. We are collecting, give us our share. Or maybe just say,
make the family come back and say, yes, we have the 10 million naira available. Sorry, that contract we had.
No, we can't collect 10 million.
We cannot.
Madam, what's all this?
In fact, we have double increased, even multiply
by 100%.
By 100%.
Your money is 100 million.
100 million or 150 million.
Or imagine say kidnapper say, who are you? Know say they'll call their face. Who are you? Margaret. Margaret what? Emefiele. Come to the other guy say, this name sounds familiar. Emefiele who? Wife of CBN governor.
Hey!
Now them go even come out their mouth say, hey! The Lord has answered our prayers. They go begin the ginger. Say, madam. They go even call the sheikh man, madam.
So thank you very much.
Madam, thank you.
It will be nice doing business with you.
It will be nice. We are sorry for kidnapping you.
But we appreciate the fact that we kidnapped you. And in fact, we will know that after doing this particular business, our life will never remain the same.
Thank you. God has used you to open our doors.
You are a divine call from God.
They call us from Kaduna. Ogakule, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Ogakule.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jare.
Yesterday I tried now. You are not connect me.
No vex. They happen like that once in a while.
That yesterday talk. If I get interest,
yes, sir. Talk. Okay, we hear you right on.
You know what happened in judiciary. Normally we have 3 arms of government. Understand?
Yes.
And they have to be respect for each other.
Mm-hmm.
Again, like let's assuming there's something that's wrong. Understand? There's a way to handle the issue. If you come to my house around that hour and I'm in that position, I have an AK-47 license at home, I will fire you. I'm telling you, I don't want to, because this time around, they use police clothes, they use soldier clothes to rob. If you come to my house around that time and you're pulling my gate down, in fact, if I have AK-47 loaded with a 60 magazine, I will fire you, I don't care. So, and again, I want to ask you one question. Because the politics we are playing in Nigeria, understand, we have to be very, very careful. Let me ask you one question. Who is next to this CJ, this president CJ? The question, you know, the next person to this president CJ is among those people they arrested in Araki. So, if you notice, what they are doing is politics. They want to rid out of those people. After they have case, at the end of the day, you will hear that maybe they sack them or suspend them.
at the end of the day, the person they are targeting to be the next CJ is under them.
But Oga Kunle, the way we say time, Oga Kunle, the way we say time don't go now. We're not going to continue with this conversation,
Exactly.
but we go like engage you for this. Make I just drop this one, maybe you go just take this one, go. But if DSS carry out raid, come discover, say, they see certain things with this person, whether he be next in line or he not be next in line, if not crime, the person don't commit crime, and the person go court, go answer in mama name. Thank you very much for that particular contribution. We hope, say, in the nearest future, we'll continue with that particular discussion. Everybody who don't call in to contribute, we really appreciate this issue. Now, issue where we say all of us hold seriously. Those when try when it's no connect, make una no vex. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke. Kunkubi.
Yes, so now bye bye. Till tomorrow we will come again with another bonga matter.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.